Ever tried to contact Grabpay support and felt like you were navigating a maze? You're not alone. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly how to get in touch with them. Let's dive in. First things first, understand that Grabpay offers multiple support channels, each with its own strengths. This means the best method for you depends on the urgency and nature of your issue. Let's start with the in-app chat. This is usually the quickest way to get a response for general inquiries or minor issues. Simply open your Grab app, go to the Help or Support section, and initiate a chat with a customer service representative. You can usually expect a response within minutes, especially during peak hours. For more complex issues, or if you need to escalate a problem, email support might be a better option. You can usually find the support email address on their official website or within the Grab app itself. Compose a clear and concise email explaining your issue in detail, including any relevant transaction IDs or screenshots. While email responses might take a bit longer, it provides a written record of your communication. Now, let's talk about phone support. This is typically reserved for urgent matters or situations where immediate assistance is required. However, phone support might not be available in all regions or for all issues. If a phone number is provided, make sure to note their operating hours to avoid wasting time. Beyond these primary channels, Grabpay may also offer social media support. Check their official Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram pages for any inquiries or complaints you can submit through direct messages or comments. Be mindful of their response times on social media, as they might not be as immediate as in-app chat. A crucial tip is to prepare for your interaction. Before contacting support, gather all necessary information, such as transaction IDs, order numbers, and screenshots. This will help expedite the resolution process and avoid unnecessary delays. Also, be patient and polite. Customer service representatives are there to help, and a courteous approach will ensure a smoother and more efficient interaction. Remember to clearly and concisely explain your issue and answer any questions they may have. Finally, review Grabpay's FAQs and Help Center. You might find answers to your questions quickly and easily without needing to contact support at all. This can save you time and effort in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.